I chose to work with Go Wales because I wanted to find work experience that was something relatable to my degree, and as an Australian student it's quite difficult to get my foot in the door sometimes, so Go Wales was the perfect opportunity for me. The kind of work experience I undertook was being a finance administrator for Cardiff University at the finance department. What I most enjoyed about my placement was talking to members of staff in the department, seeing how they got there, what their goals were, how the business runs, how money goes in and out, how things are funded, and all the different projects there are. After finishing working with Go Wales, I secured an 8-week paid internship with the work experience team, working at Pinnacle Letting Agents, where I work as an inventory clerk for a property management internship. I would recommend Go Wales to other Cardiff University students because it gives them a platform to be able to seek out opportunities that they wouldn't have been able to get otherwise. And I think that's extremely important because I wouldn't have been able to have the opportunities I had without Go Wales.